everybody. Today we're going to do an easy lime cake, and it's a semi-homemade type thing. So we'll get out the mixer and we're going to get started. First thing that you need is a regular size package of a white or vanilla cake mix. Go ahead and put it in your mixing bowl. Get ready with the rest of the recipe. Need to add about a cup of lime yogurt to the recipe, and I don't think this is quite enough, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of sour cream. You can add all sour cream instead if you want to. Just gonna add just a little extra to that. Okay. Half a cup of oil. Four eggs. Those are here. A tablespoon of lime zest and 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Alright, usually what I do before we start with the mixer, kind of just lightly mix everything together just a little bit. And then I do my final mixing with my mixer. Go ahead and have your oven preheated to 350, and you need to use a bundt pan for this recipe. So you go ahead and have that sprayed and ready. Out of the oven, we're going to put a glaze over it. And a glaze is not that hard to do. It's actually easier than a frosting or an icing. And since you added lime zest to this, it kind of makes it seem a little bit more fancy. Okay. Put this in the oven for 350. 40 to 45 minutes, or until your toothpick comes out clear. I'll see you back here in a minute. Hey y'all, let's go ahead and make our glaze for our lime cake. Got 2 cups of powdered sugar in here, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. It is best that you use melted, like real butter, but I don't know that I've ever used margarine. I'm not sure. May not taste the same either. Then we need to do, we're going to go with the lighter or the less than on our liquids, just to see first how thin this is going to go. This is 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of milk. Now we may have to add 1 more tablespoon of each of those, but if we don't, that's fine too. Another option would be, if you don't want to do this, you could probably do like vanilla ice with a little bit of lime zest in there and ice it that way. I was thinking about that. I probably could have done that for y'all. But that's it. Real quick glaze. It's already done. Wait till your cake is completely cool and then put this on it. And if you have to let this sit, just add just a teeny little bit of milk and it'll bring it back. Okay y'all, the cake's done. It's extremely moist, which is probably the yogurt and sour cream mixture. The glaze, I left it thick. You do not have to do that. You can thin it out with milk. Sorry, that's my ice maker in the back. And it was real easy to do and throw together. It makes it look like you put in a lot of effort when you really didn't put in that much effort. Alright, I'll see you next time.